So there was another requested coin which is GRT the graph, and I think it looks good and it is at its initial stages, so it can give you good return. So we have a range here. I think I've analyzed it uh, before also, and it is just rejecting its previous highs. We need a stay above here. I think it is doing great here. It can give you a stay here. The more it consolidates here, the more it is bullish. When it will get invalidated, it will get invalidated when it will break this support, which is 0.86. okay, which is 0.86. It should hold this level. And if we talk about the targets for GRT, first let me take the target from here to 61. Let's see where it comes. It comes accurately at this previous highs. The first target would be at 1.6. okay, 1.6 is the first target. The second target is for sure these highs. These are very high resistance, which is 2.14 or 2.1. and the third target, this is the second target. If it breaks its previous ATH, if it breaks its previous ATH, okay, if it starts its cycle from here, a market cycle from here, then if it starts its market cycle from here, and it can go for the price discovery mode, and the target would be for around $3 to $4. It is according to this the Fibonacci 1618, or around $4. And I think it is an undervalued project. Let's see what the project is. So we are at the website of graph.com. What is Graph? The Graph is a decentralized protocol for indexing and querying data from blockchain. Starting with Ethereum, it makes it possible to query data that is difficult to query directly. Query whom we are querying? Projects with complex smart contracts like Uniswap, NFT initiatives like Bored Ape Yacht Club store data on Ethereum blockchain, making it really difficult to read anything other than basic data directly from the blockchain. Okay, directly from the blockchain, from the other data. Which is that other data? I'm not getting it. In case of Bored Ape Yacht Club, we can perform basic read operations on the contract, like getting the owner of a certain ape, okay, the details about the owner, okay, getting the content URI of an ape based on their ID, or the total supply, as these read operations are programmed directly into smart contract. Okay, but more advanced real world queries and operations like aggregation, search, relationships, and non-trivial filtering are not possible. Okay, for example, if we wanted to query for apes that are owned by certain addresses and filter by one of its characteristics, which we would not be able to get the information by interacting directly with the contract itself. Okay, so there is smart contract कहने वाला था. So there is smart contract which is holding the data of these NFTs, okay, like the details of the owner and something like that. And we can just get the details of the owners and the URI, the total supply, okay. These are data which we can get directly. But to get the more data out of that NFT or the smart contract, like aggregation, search, relationship, so okay, so is it like making two smart contracts or the NFTs to conversate with each other, or to conversate to the user? That is a really cool idea. To get this data, you would have to process every single transfer event ever made, read the metadata from IPFS using the token ID, IPFS hash, and then aggregate it. Even for these type of relatively simple questions, it would take hours or even days for decent application running in the browser to get an answer. Okay, so this is like solution to this scalability issues we are getting on the Ethereum, or the NFTs on the Ethereum. You could also build on server, process the transaction there, save them to a database, and build an API endpoint on the top of it. In order, however, this operation is resource intensive, needs maintenance, presents a single point of failure, and breaks important security properties required for decentralization. You must read this. Graph sounds to be a really cool project. Okay, the only thing is that the NFTs are not NFTs or the Ethereum, everything we having a hype around, they are not much developed right now. The metaverse and everything is not developed much right now. From decade from here, for 5 to 10 years, we will see them at such a huge level, which are going to amaze you. So in that thing, the graph can be a really useful project if it stays there. I don't know about the owners, I don't know about the programmers there, I haven't studied them, but the idea is a really must. It is a like bread and butter for these NFTs and metaverse, or the smart contracts on the Ethereum. It can be taken account for the long term investment, but you need to research about the owners, the programmers behind them who are running the project, whether they are active or not. You need to check the GitHub, and you need to check the code. So from there you can get the more data from it, and it sounds really cool. So for now, as a technical analyst, I think the $3 to $4 would be a really good price you should look upon to. And for the longer run, you don't know how much it can go if this things gets really developed. If these things get really developed and comes into action, and the whole ecosystem gets adoption in the worldwide of the metaverse or NFTs or smart contracts, then we need to see whether graph takes a stand there or not. Okay, so or you can do is find the similar projects like graph and invest, like take your 6 to 7%, 7 to 8% of your portfolio. Just invest 2 to 3% in each, 2% or more than 1.5%, 2% in each, so that if this idea of conversating the two with the smart contract and getting the useful information, if it works out, if it gets a hit in the market, then you can get really phenomenal return, exponential return on it. So I really like the project here, but I don't know, it sounds really cool, but I don't know if it is going to be in the future or not. So that is for today in this video for the graph, and I hope you liked it. It was a bit of change because I was also getting bored just posting the technical analysis and stuff. So I thought, let's read out what the project is all about. So make sure you join our Telegram channel, subscribe to our channel, YouTube channel, and like this video and press the bell icon. What else I can say? Yeah, follow me on Twitter, and yeah, join our premium channel. Okay, I give my personal rates here, and it is not going to be I'm going to shut off the 50% discount sooner or later. So, and it is I'm after I'm planning something really big. I'm planning my institution or something where I will teach, and I have the mentors of traders which I personally know, and where I will give the people the mentorship. And when that will happen, the charges for premium are never going to be this down and never going to be at discount. It will keep rising and rising. Okay, so stay tuned for the next market updates and videos, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.